Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to open up a TSB bank account online so you can get started with your mobile banking without ever having to step into a branch. So first up, go to the official TSB website at tsb.co.uk, and from the homepage, simply look for the accounts section. And from there, you then have to choose the type of account you want. So TSB offers different accounts like current accounts, savings accounts, and student accounts. So pick the one that best fits your needs. And once you've selected an account, you then have to click on Apply Now. You'll also be asked to fill out some personal information like your name, date of birth, address, and contact information. So simply make sure everything matches what's on your official documents to avoid delays. Next, TSB will ask you to verify your identity. Usually this is done by uploading a photo of a valid ID like your passport or driver's license, and sometimes they may also ask for a proof of address. And after that, you then have to set up your online banking username and password. So this is how you log in to manage your account from anywhere. So pick something secure but also easy to remember. And once everything is submitted, TSB will process your application, and if everything checks out, you also get a confirmation message that your account is open, and they'll also send your debit card to your address within a few days. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.